Welcome back. Today I am making baked beans for supper. I used white pea beans. And I'm just simply following the recipe on the very back of the bag. So I have boiled, soaked last night, overnight, and then today boiled the beans for a half an hour. So beans are cheap. I don't forget how much the bag was. Maybe a couple of bucks. Wasn't more than $3 or $4. That's for sure. So this is a cheap meal, especially in these days when everybody's job is up in the air and nobody knows what the heck is going on. So the beans have been, I soaked them last night, I boiled them this morning. Here's a quarter of a package of bacon. I'm gonna pop that in. 1 onion, chopped. Look at this, everything's all pre-cut, just like a real cooking show. Quarter of a cup of molasses. Going in. 1/2 a cup, the recipe says ketchup. I used fridge clean out day rules, so it's barbecue sauce, whatever was left, and then ketchup to top it up. 1/2 a cup. 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. The recipe actually calls for 1, but here we like it a little sweeter, a little more barbecue-y. It calls for 1 teaspoon of mustard. There we go. And 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar. I'm pretty sure. Let me just double check. 2 teaspoons. So we have our teaspoons here. 1, 2, reach over, a pinch of salt, and then I am going to simply mix, turn it on to low. Don't want to forget that. Too many times I forget to turn things on. A lot. I'm going to stir it all together. Doesn't look like much right now. The beans are still kind of white and pasty, so yeah. I think maybe overall, I don't think it would cost $10 to make this. The bacon is $5, so maybe if you're using a quarter of that, it's like $2.50, $2. 1 onion, little bits of everything. Super cheap, goes together. I'm gonna put the lid on, and I'm going to make brown bread to go with it. It's not a super pretty meal, brown bread, brown beans. Well, anyway, on low, I'm gonna set it and forget it. I'll be back in, I don't know, 7 or 8 hours to show you the results. Hey, welcome back. We're gonna open the beans. It's been, I don't know, 7 or 8 hours. I've got this beautiful buttered bread. Compliments of Shea Loaf. The bread turned out well. I've spent the whole day. I made some crackers, which might be on another video just because I was, in the kitchen. Couldn't find my way out. And now we are finally eating dinner with these beans. Thank gosh, because I am hungry. And look, it is not the most pretty plate, but it's in the middle. It is filling and cheap. And you know what? When you can't get to the store and there's lineups and we just want to live old school, this is your thing. This is your thing. Beans and brown bread. Thanks for watching.